Hi guys, welcome back to my channel again, and let's just get right into the video. This is the hair that I'll be using to create the look of the hair, and it's a frontal and 3 bundles. So I'm just going to show you guys a little piece, snip clips of here and there of how I created the entire look. This is not a full-on tutorial. If you guys would want a full-on tutorial, you have to let me know, so I would probably have to make little clips of how I do each of the process. So you guys would have to let me know, but right now I'm just summing everything up together and showing you guys the look basically. So yeah, we're gonna start by making the wig as per usual. So we're gonna start with making the wig, coloring the hair, and then installing the hair and putting on her makeup. That's the whole point of this video. So yeah, you guys should just enjoy watching the process of me making the wig. Perhaps as time goes on as well, I could as well be making other videos on like other detailed videos on how I make a particular look, like say for example how I made the wig properly, because trust me, when I started making wigs it was a hot mess. So if you guys are interested in me making a proper wig, let me know, comment down below. If you want me to make a video on how I colored this hair, let me know. If you want me to make a video on maybe a particular makeup look or any makeup look in general, let me know. Or a particular style, you know, cut and style, because everything takes time and you just have to sum it up, forward it together, you know, put the points in there, show you guys clips here and there. I can't show you everything now, the girls, listen, and you know, just make sense. But yeah, so I'm done installing the wig. You see now, a process of customizing the frontal is also another video on its own, because that's a process, trust me. So yeah, I'm just gonna basically make the frontal, customize the baby hair. I didn't really show too much because then you guys wouldn't, that would take forever. That would just basically take forever. So I'll just show you little clips of everything like I mentioned before. And yeah, I used a tweezer from Revlon. I got that from Walmart, but I honestly would not recommend that tweezer to someone that's just learning, because it's really sharp and you might end up getting bald spots. So trust me, believe me when I say I wouldn't recommend that tweezer. When I find something else that is better, I will let you guys know for sure. So this is the hair, the wig all done and customized with the edges. And now I'm just gonna wash out the yellow and tone the hair with the shimmer light toner shampoo, basically a purple shampoo. So I put that, soak it all up in my sink, and you know, rinsed it out. And this is what it looks like now, completely different from what it was before. So I'm just gonna show you guys a little bit before and after the shampoo and see the miracle that happened. And yes, of course, I love the color after the shampoo, but we ain't gonna stop that, okay? Because if we stop that, the hair is actually gonna revert back to yellow, trust me. So I'm gonna go ahead. I love the color that I had to go look for a permanent color in that spectrum. So I went with this is my first time of trying blondie. I'm just playing around with blonde. This is my first time of trying a blonde color, so bear with me guys. So I ended up getting the wrong colors. Well, maybe the root color that I used was a 7N, which was a medium blonde. If I was to go back, I would use a 5N rather than a 7N, because that's too light. For a lighter skin tone, like a Caucasian skin tone, that could have worked. But for me, being a dark skin, it didn't really show, you know what I'm saying? You'll see that later on. well, not on my head, but on my dark skin model. So yeah, I'm just showing you the 7N, me mixing it together with the 10 volume developer, and the next two colors in the middle and on the right side. The one in the middle, it was a high lift ash blonde. It kind of like mimicked the toner color when I toned the hair. It kind of mimicked that. And the next one was light ash blonde, which was supposed to be like the low light. The high lift was supposed to be the highlight, and the ash blonde was supposed to be the low light. But because I was scared of getting such a dark color, I got colors that were like one shade lighter and one shade. For the roots color, I should have gone for a 5N, and for my low light, I should have probably used the roots color that I used, which is a 7N, which is a medium blonde, which is a darker color, which should have been the low light. And for the highlight, I should have used the high lift ash blonde. You guys get it? I don't know if you guys get it, but I'll try and write it down in the description below so you guys try and understand what I should have used instead of what I actually used in the video to get some of the exact look that I wanted. But the hair still turned out alright, I guess. Pretty much I didn't do such a bad job. At the end of the day, I still have a bright canvas, so I can decide to change it and switch it up, or go back and use the 5N instead of the 7N that I used in the video. But yeah, you guys should enjoy watching me coloring the hair. Hair, and this is what the hair turned out looking. It was kind of like a white color, which I love the color, the way it looks as it's wet. When it was dry, it was like, yeah, you could tell the difference from the permanent color change to the toning, purple shampoo color toning that we did. I'll put a difference, as you guys can see right now, before toning, after toning, and after coloring. 3 steps. And yeah, pretty much the wig was laid, and not yet slayed, but it was laid. And yeah, we're gonna install the video. We're gonna install the hair now on my pretty model. And for this video, you guys, I don't know what was going on in my head. I ended up using Got to Be to lay down the hair, which was like, it wasn't a bad thing. I guess I wasn't really focusing on the video. I was focusing on her taking the hair out of her head. So I ended up using a Got to Be, so it won't last. She can take it off immediately, right? So yeah, this is me laying the hair down, laying and slaying here for that. And then we're gonna go, I didn't show the clip of me styling the hair, you guys didn't need to see that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead with the makeup. Unfortunately, I lost literally half of the 70% of the makeup video. So I'm sorry about that, but hey, it is what it is. And this is the final look, guys. If you guys do enjoy this hair and face bit, comment down below and let me know what you guys, let me know how much I killed it, you know how it do. But yeah, thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like.